magical potions. Magical potions. Don't mind me, just try not to look drunk on camera. God damn. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm very excited to announce a sponsorship. A company reached out to me, a little old me, and offered to send me some products for free in exchange for a review. And at first I was like, excuse me, you cannot buy my opinions. How dare you? But they assured me that all they wanted was my honest opinion, and that was that. So they sent me a coupon code. I got the products. I have used them for over a month, almost 2 months now, and I am ready to share my honest opinions with you. So if you want to see them, then just hang out. So this company is called MIXEASY, and you have probably not heard of them before. I have definitely not heard of them before. They reached out to me, but if you do a little light Googling and a little light YouTube searching, you will find other reviews that are similar probably to mine. When they reached out to me to see if I was interested in pursuing this opportunity, of course I was very excited, but I had some questions. So I had asked, where is your company based? Can you tell me a little bit more about the products and where the products come from and where the products are made and, you know, things like that. And they let me know that the company is based in the United States in Clearwater, Florida, but the products are sourced in the EU, European Union. And when the products arrived, I was able to get a little bit more information and see that the products are made in Latvia. So if you look them up on Instagram and you start seeing like Russian, that's why. Don't be alarmed. So MIXEASY claims to be a team of chemists and engineers that have selected an offering of various natural extracts, oils, and bioactives that each bring different skin and hair care benefits. It's an e-commerce company, so it's all online, all based off their website, mixeasy.com. That means that the formulas can be their best and the best value to the customers. So as of right now, they offer 4 products. They offer a shampoo, a conditioner, a face cream, so like a moisturizer, and a face cleanser. So what this company does, which is unlike anything I've seen before, is you can mix your own products. You can make your own specialized cocktail. So you choose a base formula of your overall skin or hair type, and then you add up to 6 ingredients that you choose. And the 6 ingredients are extracts, bioactives, and oils, things like that. And then you can select a fragrance, or you can go all natural. And then you complete your order by naming your unique potion, and that makes reordering very easy. So the pros of this is that it's natural and organic, cruelty-free, totally custom, free of toxins, perfumes, parabens, sulfates, silicones, all of that evil stuff that nobody wants. The cons is it's a little bit pricey, to be perfectly honest. There is no automatic renewal or subscription plan or a membership option. So if you go through the process of selecting your own magical potion of extracts and oils and things that are going to work best for you. But if you had an auto subscription option, like every 3 months or so, when you know that you got to the end of your shampoo bottle, like it'll just auto send it to you. I think that could be cool. They don't offer anything like that yet, but maybe they will in the future. I don't know. So of the cons that I just described, one of them is, you know, it's a little pricey, but I have a coupon code. If you enter discount code CHARMING on your order, you can save 20%. I don't get anything, okay? I get no kickback. I just want to make that perfectly clear. This is a sponsored video, but it's sponsored in that they sent me the products to try. So it's like PR sort of. Just want you to know. Just want you to know. So I will list all of the things that I selected in my potions in the description box down below. So if you want to replicate my order and you want to try that out, that's cool. So my order, I got a face moisturizer and a shampoo and a conditioner. And for my face moisturizer, I selected normal combination because I am kind of more combination than I am normal. Who's normal? So my concerns is that I have crappy texture. I'm an old lady. I'm an old lady and I'm an old lady. So it's pretty much everything anti-aging I selected, and anything plumping or hydrating I selected, and anything to improve skin barrier and hydration and texture is what I selected. I named mine Grandma Potion. And then for my shampoo and conditioner, I selected the base formula of dry because I feel like my little straw hair is just sad. And then I selected everything that's gonna hydrate my hair or protect it from damage or enhance moisture or elasticity, any of those things. So I named my shampoo is Bettah.
I go on first and clean the hair.
And I named my conditioner is Bettah.
I leave the hair silky and smooth. Oh, really, fool? Really? Stop looking at me, Swan.
So what are my thoughts? I have been using this moisturizer, this face moisturizer, every day. I use it in the morning, I use it in the evening. I have not had any adverse reaction at all. I have not had any kind of blemishes or breakouts or reactions, anything like that. And in fact, the moisturizer feels really good. It travels well. The container is really nice. I took it with me to Florida to visit my best friend, and she used it and she was very impressed. She said it felt like silk. So if that tells you anything. So the shampoo and the conditioner is a little heavy for my hair type. I did select a dry hair formula, so that's probably part of it. Like maybe my hair is not as dry as I think it is. So what I learned was to just use maybe less of the conditioner or not let it sit as long, things like that. But otherwise, like the scent that I selected is like the citrus sunshine scent or whatever that you can select. It smells really good, feels really nice. I really like it, I really do. So a couple things. Once I sat down to do the review, what I wanted to do was do a little bit of like Nancy Drew investigatory action, and I looked at the label of the shampoo and the conditioner and the moisturizer, and I found a website where I could compare the ingredients because I don't speak science, okay? I don't know what this chemical stuff is. I put in the ingredients and it would tell you like what another term for it might be or what it is used for. The label is showing every ingredient that you can possibly choose. Now, I didn't choose every possible ingredient, so I was a little confused at that. If the label says every option is inside the bottle, everything I choose is inside the bottle, so that's true. But I didn't choose the other things, so putting them in the mixture, I'm not really sure how that works. So I did email the company. I reached out to find out what is it, like does it really include all those things, or is it just the label like covering all the bases just in case? And by the time I had sat down to film today, they had not responded. I don't mean that to sound shady because I really do enjoy the products and they're working really well. My skin loves it, my hair likes it, so that's that. I think that this product is really cool. This would be a really great gift idea. So if you want to give something custom to someone, you could either buy them a gift certificate and let them choose their own things, or you could go ahead and select things for them and you can name the bottles custom to them for it's like their birthday, anniversary, or something cool like that. If you have used it before and you liked it or didn't like it, I'd love to hear about it. Just let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like these, then you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. I release a new video into the wild on YouTube every Thursday at noon. You can also follow me on all of the socials. Everything is on the screen. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Is it charming? I don't fucking know what my coupon code is. Hang on. Let me look. MixEasy. Hashtag MixEasyUSA. At MixEasyUSA. I got a coupon code. I got a coupon code. Cooper doop coupon code. Coop boop 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 coupon code. Charming. That's what it is.